Good morning. Ebu here. Just woke up after a 12-hour sleep. You know I did. I've had the busiest weekend, guys. That's why I haven't been active. Alrighty, we're giving away the Thermaltake Olive Drab level 10 gaming case. I love this case. I was going to buy it actually, but my new one that I've got was donated to me, so I kept it. It's the Cougar case. I'll show you later, but let's give it away right now. I'm going to go and close the competition. Good luck, everyone. All our VIPs get their 100 bonus entries into this one, and everyone else that has donated a couple dollars here and there, as you'll see when I do the competition. Alrighty, let's see if it's closed. Yes, it has. It has, guys. It's closed. Let's menage it. Get some entries. Create export. Alrighty, so tonight we're doing the upgrade kit, and then after I post this, I'm going to do another two $25 Steam one. No, I'm actually going to do one $50. Yeah, I've still got a $50 here Steam wallet I want to give away, so I'll do that, and then I'll do the donated bundles. So loads of games this week. Alrighty, should be nearly ready. I didn't even see how many entries there were, did you? Here we go. Oh, who's excited? Who's excited? Alrighty. Let's go and open that file up. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Good luck, everyone. Copy. Alphabetize it. Sean A. Pepper down the bottom there. And clipboard. Random name picker. Here we go. Oh no, I've got to put the bonus entries in, but I'll do that up the top. I'll just scroll up so everyone can see their names. I'm using Google Chrome now. I used to use Firefox, but someone told me to use Google Chrome, so that's what I'm doing. I've missed a couple of non-English names, did I? Yeah, just there. Alright, let's just get rid of that. Keep scrolling up. They should be up here around the D's somewhere. There we go. You idiot. Alright, keep going up. There's some more. I love doing this. There we go. Oh my god. I hope this referrals are on admin. I hope there's an admin's referrals. I really do. Sci-hack. Alrighty, scrolling up. Music gonna stop. When's the music gonna stop? There's an ad. There's an ad. Oh, there's some more. Copyright. I get my songs from no copyright sounds on YouTube. This is pretty amateur. This is pretty amateur. Oh my fucking god. Alrighty, there we go. I think that's it. Just gotta get rid of this shit. How can that person keep entering the competitions and never see their name? I don't get it. Alrighty, so I'm going to get VIPs. And everyone that's donated $1 here and there. A couple bucks here and there. Pop them in. Johnny Gilbert. Here's the guys that have happily donated $1 or $2 here and there. Now I'm going to do the VIPs. They get 100 each. Come on. I think I'd have all this ready, but it's very early in the morning and I'm not thinking. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck everyone. This is for the Thermaltake level 10 olive drab. If you're a winner overseas, I'm going to look for the closest company close to you and I'll purchase from there. Alrighty. I might go back to Firefox after this. I don't like Google Chrome. Thailand. Good luck everyone. We're getting up there, I think. Robbie, Dave. Dave's a legend, man. It's Katie, Chris, Caroline, Andrew, Zach, Jen. There we go, we're at the top. Let's do this. The winner of the Olive Drab level 10 case is Yee Alex. Yeah. That sounds like an overseas name to me. Well done, Yee. You've got 48 hours to contact and collect your prize. Please do, or I'm going to do a redraw in 48 hours. Alright guys, I'll see you in about... I'll see you tonight for the upgrade competition, and I will post a new competition straight after this. See ya!